Alright, this is embarrassing now. Am I already being taped?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. Are you ready?
Daniel, go over by Julie so I can
Get both of them.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wait, I think everyone should. I'll tell when everyone should get up. Okay. 'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the house not a creature was stirring, just Julie the mouse. Gwenny was tucked in her big daddy's arms, her mommy was stressing over ribbons and yarns. David and Aaron just wanted to play video games all night. Oh, what a dismay. Brad and Laura have gotten older, but are still going strong, just like a toy soldier. They've done all they can and put in the work. They're going to bed and hope Daniel won't lurk. Because Daniel, oh Daniel, is still just a boy. He has hopes and dreams to get a great toy. Now he's opened his gifts, and some were lame. He got knickknacks and junk. Oh, what a shame. He can be a huge pest, but this boy's the best. He has a big heart, though he acts just like Bart. Well, Daniel, I'm sorry, but I'm just about done with this poem I wrote, and wow, it was fun. So what's the point of all this, you ask? Santa gave me a wonderful task. So now I can tell you he showed you some lovin'. Let's see what he brought. Go look in the oven.
This is so stupid.
Okay, everyone.
Hey, oh well, he can bring it in here actually.
Okay. Look in the bottom. In the bottom and top, mostly bottom.
Bring that into the living room. You can just bring it in here.
Don't drop it.
Why is it solid glass?
Yes.
Sit down, Daniel.
sit right by Julie.
Sit by Julie.
Okay.
There was some concern that Daniel would try to peek. So,
That's right,
I was gonna say I don't understand the wrapping.
yeah.
Wait, what is it?
Well, it
Okay,
was,
help him unwrap
It says
it.
to Daniel from me, and it's pointing to Santa. Oh my God. I can't do it.
I think he's crying. Julie's
Every
actually
time
gonna
someone
start.
tries to make me cry. Daniel.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, I'm laughing so hard.
I didn't think he was gonna cry.
he's got tears running down his face.
Oh my god.
You wanted an Xbox controller. Yeah, I wanted an original Xbox controller. He got a 360 with two of them.
Oh my god.
That's for me. That's for me.
Okay. Daniel, you're on video. You know.
Okay, just rip it, Daniel.
I can't. This is the newest one.
It's the same one I have.
It won't open.
Scratch it.
Here. I wrapped it really tight. I'm trying to get out of
Hi, Julie.
this. No.
Yay.
Shut up. Oh my god. This is so you can play with a friend.
I
It's
pulled
an
that on
extra.
Landon once.
It's an extra controller and headset. It's like the
PS3.
whole
It's the that's
package stuff.
Yay.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm pushing stop.
Okay.